In this tutorial, we will briefly review the differences in accounting method. It is very important for a new agency to address this subject prior to beginning posting accounting in AgencyPro. The accounting method options are cash, accrual, and modified accrual. The chosen accounting method affects how your background postings occur in the system's accounting. Because of these differences, certain procedures may differ based on your accounting method. Let's first talk about the cash basis, an accounting method where your income is recorded only when paid. Cash agencies can look at their income and expense report to find the actual amount of commission received. They also have the advantage of tracking producer payables based on what was received rather than the entire amount owed on the policy. The disadvantage to a cash basis is that the client's payment must be applied toward a policy, as there are no physical receivable accounts to apply on-account payments toward. Accrual, on the other hand, posts the income when earned, which is on the effective date of the policy in insurance accounting. As of the effective date, the entire policy will post to all accounts, receivable, payable, income, and expense. The advantage of the accrual method is the flexibility of the receivable, allowing you to adjust directly to the client AR and apply payments on the account. The disadvantage is matching income received, as accrual agencies record to their income and expense all commission, received or not. Modified accrual would only be selected when the accrual agency does installment billing and wishes those installments to post to the accounting individually rather than all up front as of the effective date. Here are some key questions to better determine your accounting method. Do you pay producers? And if so, do you pay them up front or only when you've been paid? If you pay producers only on commission received, the cash basis will save you much time calculating the commission owed. Do you do more agency bill or direct bill business? The current trend is moving toward direct bill, and agencies doing mainly direct bill tend to prefer the cash basis, as they are only recording the income received. Do you do many non-standard payments? A great example of that is a trucking agency, who might advance payments for the client on a regular basis. Many of these trucking agencies lean toward the accrual basis, which allows for posting directly to the client's AR. You can see more on these processes by reviewing the NSF and Advancing Client Payment tutorials. If in doubt, ask your accountant. Your accountant should be able to clarify for you which accounting method is best. One last thing about accounting methods. It cannot be changed without restarting your accounting, and that only at the exact fiscal year end. If you wish to change your accounting method, first discuss with your accountant, then call Agency Software's support to perform the necessary change and discuss the strategy going forward. This concludes our talk about accounting method. If you are just getting started with AgencyPro accounting, you will want to contact support to set up a session with the accounting trainer. You can continue on to review basic workflow and more complicated workarounds throughout this tutorial series.